Hi there, and welcome to the third part of our filters tuition within Kulea.ma. Now, parts 1 and 2 showed us how to create filters, how to create two-layer filters. I'm now going to go absolutely balls out. I'm going to create a very advanced filter here because sometimes you need to create these advanced filters, and it's really useful to be able to see how to do it. So if you've not seen parts 1 and 2, all I've done is I've gone into the Kulea, I've gone into contacts, I've expanded my CRM filter. And there we have our CRM filters. Now, when thinking through your advanced filters, we recommend using the acronym AON, AON. Now that stands for and or not. And that is the order you want to build your rules within Kulea. So Kulea's got a lovely visual interface so you can understand and see what's going on, but always try and think about what you want to achieve beforehand and how to go about building that. So in this example, what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a filter that looks for sales and marketing people that are based in the UK or the US. Okay, pretty simple. So let's go about doing that. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my ands. So I'm looking for a person. So what did I say then? I said country. Let's do country first. So country contains UK. And we're gonna add an and here. So let's just add an and we're looking for job title contains sales. Okay, so I've got an and there, and I've got 5 contacts that meet that criteria because I don't have many UK salespeople. So now I'm going to add some of those or conditions we talked about. So I'm just going to go to country, and I want to add another country there. I want to add the USA. So I'm going to say or country contains US. There you go, and you see my contact number's gone up there. And the same logic needs now to be applied to that second and. So I then want to say, and job title contains sales, or job title contains marketing. It's going to cast my net a lot wider. So there you go, I've got 258 contacts now in the UK and the US whose job title contains sales or marketing. And you can see how we visually constructed that. So the blue line represents the and, the orange line represents the ors. And you can see how those ors, country, are nested within the and condition. And you can see how these two ors for position are also nested within the and condition. So that's what I mean by A, O. I haven't got to the end yet, have I? So how do we apply those ends? Those are the not conditions. And you can see along here, you've got 3 levels of not. So let's say I want to absolutely flip this filter on its head. I want everybody in my database that isn't in sales and marketing and isn't in the UK and the US. Yeah, so I essentially want to remove those 258 people from this filter. I can do that really easily just by selecting that not at the top. There we go. And that now flips it around. So I've got everybody else in my database, 11,042 people that don't meet any of these conditions. And you can see what's happened there is I've nested the and the or within the not, because there's a long grey line down the side that's telling me that the not has taken ownership of all of this stuff. Let me get rid of that. Okay, how's about I want everybody in the UK and the US that works in everything but sales and marketing. So I want all the accountants, all my developers, I want all my HR people, all my customer service, but I don't want sales and marketing. Well, then I would select this second not, which is, as you can see, is at 1 step down. There we go. I've removed all of those, and this number there has moved up to 585. So I've got rid of all my sales and marketing people. Flipping that, if I wanted to get rid of all my UK and US contacts, but I wanted to keep all the sales and marketing people, that's fine. I would just select that one there. And then we've got 9,800 sales and marketing contacts that are not within the UK and the US. So those are your top level, your mid level, but then we've got 1 level down again as well, because you see we've got these other knots here too. So I want, in this case, everybody that is in the UK and the US, that job title contains sales and doesn't contain marketing. So there might be sales people that are responsible for sales and marketing. I don't want them. I'm just going to remove those by clicking that one. You can see that finally turns that last filter section grey. And there we go. And I've got 605 contacts that meet that criteria. And if I want to look at one of those contacts, all I do is just open it up, have a look, make sure that fits with what I'm talking about. Yeah, country in the US. Yeah, they're developers. They're not marketing. Brilliant. That works really nicely for me. Okay. If you want to export that contact data, of course you can. You just click export and it will give you the export for that filter you're evaluating at that moment in time. I do recommend, really handy, write down what you're looking for and then recreate it in the filter and make sure you check it over with your contacts to make sure it exactly does what you think it's supposed to do. But hopefully the fact that it's really nice and visual shows you how to construct those filters. And it's not too complex, but always reach out, give us a shout if you've got any questions. Thanks for listening.